Well, hello, awesome people, and welcome back to day 2 of our series, Pack Up and Move Forward. So, I hope you enjoyed day 1 and I hope you wrote your action items down. So, let's dive into day 2. So, we're going to talk about today clean up that social house and clean up our area. So, what do I mean by clean up that social house? On social media. So if you've been on LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, whatever you've been on, it's time to clean up that house. And how do we do that? Number one, we check out our banners. I even made a new banner for my sites, and I'm excited about the new banners for 2021. I made a new banner for Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn, and I'm really excited about that. And I also made a new banner for my YouTube channel. So think about making a banner. You can make it in Canva, you can have it made with Fiverr, but you can easily make a banner for your social sites. Then you want to look at your profile image. Do you need to change your profile picture? If not, that's great too. But you want to look at your banner, your profile, then your about section and your bio. You want to clean up house. If you have things that you need to change wording, you want something new for 21, clean it up. Also, you want to declutter even around your own home, because when we declutter and get rid of old paper, get rid of old things, get rid of stuff we hadn't used in a while, we open up the door for success, because when we declutter, we have more creativity. I know I did a lot of decluttering this last few months, and so I just decluttered, and it feels so good. It's like I can breathe. I'm ready to pack up and move forward for 2021. Get a calendar. So you definitely want to make sure you get your calendar, get it ready for 2021, so you can write down the things that you need to do. I have a great planner that I have created for 2021. It's called the Busy Entrepreneur's Social Media and Marketing Success Planner. It's a 40-page printable. You can print it out. You can keep it on your computer. You can head to your favorite office store, get a nice binder, put it in there, and get ready for 2021. We are getting ready to pack up, send 2020 on its way, and move forward. So we're cleaning house. We're cleaning our social media house. We're cleaning our area around us. We're making sure that our face online looks good. You also want to consider your website. Is your website doing what it's supposed to be doing? It should be converting lookers into bookers. If people head to your website, they should know right away what services you offer. Within seconds, they should know. They should know how you can help them, because it's all about them. It's not about us. People want answers to their problems. People want solutions to what's going on. People want value. So when they go to our website, we need to let them know how we can help them with our products and services. Our website also needs to let people know how easy it is to do business with us. You should put 3 ways to get started to doing business with you on your website. So we want to clean up our personalities online. We want to clean up the face of our business online with our website, with our social media, and we want to pack up and get ready to move forward. So don't forget, your action item is check out your social sites, revamp them, revisit them, get ready for 2020. Check out your website, see if it's doing what it's supposed to be doing. So until next time, guys, I'm Marsha Lynn Hudson, your social media and branding strategist. I want you to join me in saying yes to success. So in day 3, we're going to talk about getting our priorities in order, picking our priorities, getting rid of that long things to do list, and focusing on the top priorities that we want for 2021. See you in day 3.